Keep watching to the end of the video to get your chance to have a shout out in my next video. Or maybe. It depends on when you find it. Okay, you might not be able to see anything, but these are my cubes. It's almost sunrise, so let's do them both. This really has no things. Just solving all of these in the sunrise, and then later on I'll do them in the sunset. Alright, let's go. I record the final second of me pushing it. Boom! Oh, look at that, 888. And so in case you didn't see, here are all my cubes solved. My head are freezing. Like actually freezing. And sun's not really out, but I mean, it got lighter, so that's my definition of sunrise. Alright, on to later on in the day. Right, so this is the sunset version, currently at 4:54, so into it. Boom. 43 minutes. Sky is actually still a little bit light, to be honest, but who cares? I still did it. Technically in the sunset. And here's my light. And here are all my cubes solved. Alright. Thanks for watching. Leave a like because this was probably weeks in the planning. I had this idea for a very long time. So until then, see you next time. So, on to the shout out. So, how you can enter, I guess. Basically, I've hidden this one video. It's basically a little bonus video, kind of behind the scenes of the day before of what I had to do to get this project, I guess, done. Because it was actually a really hard challenge because there were so many little things I just had to get right. Otherwise, it wasn't gonna look good. So, how do you find the video? Well, in one of my videos, it can be any one of my videos that I've uploaded. I have hidden the video link in the description. It's unlisted, which means it's technically private, but if you still have the link, you can still find it. So, that's your challenge. Try to find a video in all of my videos. I've hidden it in the description of just one of them. Just one of them. If you're the first person to find it, comment down like first or found it, something like that, so I know you've done it, and then you will get a shout out in my next video. Good luck.